On to tutorial 5 of the HTML Basics tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about images, because it's all well and good having text on your website, but you want something other than text, and this is how you're going to do it. So as you can see, I've opened up the same document as last time, basically a blank HTML document with all the tags in it, and in the body section here you can see there is one line of code. This is the code that tells the image to display. Let's talk you through it. The start is the image tag, and then src is the source, so where the image can be found. At this point it would probably be a good idea to talk about file management. So whereas before we've just been saving to the desktop, now it would be a good idea to create a folder if you've got images, and then save the HTML document within the folder, and then any images save it in the same folder, not in a subdirectory, unless you've got a lot of images. In that case you might want to create a folder inside this folder called images and put it there. But as you can see, it's called Ladybird. It's a JPEG image and it's saved in the same folder as the index image. So if we go back to the code, you can see that ladybird.jpg, that is what it's called, and we don't need to specify the path because it's in the same path that we're already in, because we're in the HTML document. So if we've created a folder called images, then we'd have to put images/ladybird.jpg or whatever the folder name is. Alt, you don't have to put alt in, but alt is alternate text. So if the image fails to display, then you can hover over it and it will say the word ladybird, because they are ladybirds. Then obviously width and height are self-explanatory. It's done in pixels, so 600 pixels by 380 pixels, and then not forgetting the image end tag there. If you save that and then open it, it'll come up with the image, basically. If we break it by, for example, putting an extra D in Ladybird so it won't be able to find it, and we refresh the page, you can see it came up with the word Ladybird instead of the image. You can see it came up with the word Ladybird because that is the alternate text. But if we change that back to have the right path, then it will display the image again. So that's just a quick tutorial on images and how to do that. There isn't any supporting documents really to go with it. If you want to have a go at this tutorial, you can just go on and get any image that you want to online, or use one on your computer and have a go. In the next tutorial we should be just about ready to start creating an actual website, and I'll take you through the designs that we'll be using and the sort of website that we'll be creating next time, and we might just start putting the basics in. So I'll see you in tutorial 6. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if it helped, and subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with all the HTML and other tutorials.